Welcome back to Rapid Reviews, and today we have a review of a Samsung WB1100F Smart Camera. Now, to see a lot of its features, you can see it on the side of the box here, which is quite nicely illustrated. First of all, a powerful 35x optical zoom, and we've got Wi-Fi and NFC tag and go. And we've got this 75mm screen, which is all just fine and dandy. Let's get down to its features. Now, it's a very beautiful and ergonomic bridge camera, which fits very, very snugly in the hand. They weren't lying about that screen as well. It is superb quality HVGA screen, which is viewed whilst being held snugly in the hand. These buttons here go where your thumb go, or when you move your thumb up to the top, you can control the optical zoom, which I want to show you here. Here it goes. There it goes, and here's the flash. Let's see that again in super slow motion. Here it comes any minute now. There it goes. So it's a manual flash, as you've just seen there. And here are some pictures. Now, this photo here is zoomed in about 17 times, and the detail is absolutely superb, as you can see. I mean, you can even see this performer's teeth. Should that be a thing, of course. There's a lovely doggy. This is zoomed in again. Now, one of the coolest features is that you can link it up to your mobile phone with this app. This is the Samsung Smart Camera app. And after just a little amount of messing about, I was able to link it up to my phone and do some really cool things. Now, I could either take the photos from the camera direct to the phone, from the phone direct to the camera, or one other cool thing that's hard for me to show you, but I could actually use the mobile phone as a viewfinder. It's technology called NFC, and it's very handy. It offers a lot more features, and I absolutely love this camera. Here's the tech specs for anyone who wants to pause it there and see the Samsung official technical specs of the camera. It's quite impressive for a bridge camera, I think you'll find. Here it is on Amazon. I found it for £145. That's on UK Amazon, obviously. And here on Amazon.com for much cheaper price. I make no bones about how much I love this camera, and I am giving it a plus. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe button, comment. Any input's good, and I will see you next time.